Hi, good evening everyone. Welcome to Select Astro. Good evening everyone. Welcome to Select Astro. Waiting for all of you to come for a live tarot session after a long time, just for 20 minutes. Good evening everyone. Welcome to Select Astro. Welcome Samiksha. Welcome. Welcome. Before we start the tarot session, yes, I'll just note down your details. Yeah, so firstly, welcome everyone. I hope everybody is fine after a good Diwali weekend, good festival celebration. Okay, so before we log on and we start our tarot session, I would request everyone to just do deep breathing 3 times. We will do Om chanting. Then we will start. Hi Deshna, we will do everybody's tarot session just for 20 minutes, but let's just first breathe in for 3 times. Let's ground ourselves. So good evening everyone. Thank you so much for logging for today's live tarot session by Select Astro app. Thank you so much. I hope आप Select Astro को enjoy कर रहे हैं and also you are also seeing the new things which have been added on our Select Astro. We have lot of things now. We have new chat app, we have the video call, we have the spin the chakra, lot of things. So only under one app, you just have to charge it for 1 rupee and you will get in your balance you will get 100 rupees. So thank you so much for logging, and now one-on-one we will do. So please, you have to be a little patient with me. First is Samiksha Sharma. Samiksha Sharma. I will take it one by one, please. You have to be patient. As you know, tarot reading will not tell you the future prediction. It will tell you कि आपको इस moment में, present moment में ऐसा क्या करना है to bring about changes about your future. So this one is for Samiksha's future husband. Okay, Samiksha. So firstly, you need to understand that आपको बिल्कुल भी worry करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Let me tell you one thing. I can even tell you that you are getting very anxious, and because you're getting anxious, you might fall sick because आपका ये आया है 4 of Swords. You don't need to worry so much about your relationship because you will definitely have a person, and he is the kind of the person your future husband will be. It is called actually a King of Wands. This is going to be the personality of your future husband. Okay? So you need to understand that he is going to be coming in your life. You what need to do is have patience, be positive, and he will bring stability in your life for sure. Okay? So he will be very stable, very grounded, and for this to come into your life, you have to be very stable, you have to be very grounded, you don't have to be anxious at all. Okay? So please keep this in mind, and this will be coming within, I would say, 2 months. So you should just be around 2022, a new beginning, and your new journey will start. Okay? So from here on, I would like to go in. So Shivani Gupta, I would like to welcome everyone once again. So now I'll take one-on-one. Please be very patient. Today we are on live for 20 minutes, but yes, anybody wants to do one-on-one session, I'm going to be on live from 18th of November from 3 to 5 in the afternoon. You can always contact me on one-on-one through Select Astro app. So, Shivani Gupta, this one is for you. So Shivani, you need to understand that you have some money matters which are going to be a little bit hindrance in as an obstacle which you have asked for. So please work on your finances. You have to work on your finances, and you need to be a little bit conservative. You don't have to be spending it like, you have to work on your money matters. This is what is coming very clearly on the cards. So please try and also contribute some, because this also helps in adding on to your finances. Please contribute something, but this is the main obstacle coming into your life. Okay? Now, okay, Riya Agarwal, I would request if you can ask for yourself. It is difficult for me to, I can do that, but the accuracy will come if that same person is around. Ask for yourself. Who is Aditya Saini to you? You can't, would recommend that please ask for yourself. Yes. So we have Deshna from Mauritius. Welcome Deshna to Select Astro app. Thank you so much for logging on our app. Okay, I will definitely check for you. Okay, I would like to say, Deshna, firstly that you are going to get lots and lots of choices and proposals coming very soon. I would say from the next 2 weeks, you're going to get a lot of good proposals and arranged proposals. Up till now, आपका जिस किसी के साथ भी कोई relationship रहा है, now it's going to be a new relationship coming in your life. And yes, it is definitely going to come in the form of arranged. It is very strongly showing on the cards. So you should definitely be prepared. It is coming within 2 weeks. So be prepared, and it will be with fresh energy, fresh perspective. You need to basically have that discerning eye to see the right. आपको proposals बहुत मिलेंगी, but you need to be very careful before giving commitment. So that is most important, Deshna. Okay, so give some time. Don't be in a hurry to just be giving commitment, but it will come through arrange lot of proposals. Thank you. Okay. So Asta, I've already answered your question. I've already answered. I started first with answering your question. Okay. So we have, okay. The same messages are being repeated. Okay, now we have Manish. Welcome Manish from Ahmedabad. So this is actually a global reading. People from all over the country are joining, and also from Mauritius. Thank you so much for really liking our app. And this app is amazing, I must say, because thanks to Select Astro, on one app, you can get tarot reading, numerology, astrology, everything under one roof. And now we also have live chat sessions, we have video calls, so you will be taken care of in every which way. And we have such nice therapies going on. We have this, a very new thing which is Spin the Chakra. So please utilize our, Select Astro app and download it and avail the opportunities to this. Okay, so now we have Manish from Ahmedabad. Okay, Manish, I will definitely see. So I don't see from your Tula Rashi. I will see from your energies as a tarot reader, and I'm a numerologist as well. Welcome, Tanya. Just see for Manish. So Manish, firstly you need to understand that you don't have to stress. आपकी रातों की नींद खोई हुई है. You are stressed. To know that when will you find your right partner, do not worry. You are definitely going to find, and you're also making a very good money. You've started making creatively, you're making good money, so you don't need to worry. And your relationship is also around the corner. You don't need to worry first. And I'm going to give switch words to everyone today, because I'm seeing most of them are about when will I find the right partner. So today I'm going to give a very special switch word, which I've given before also. And this switch word will help you attract the right partner in your life. Okay? So your life is like a yo-yo. It's coming high, sometimes it's going low. So you need to be very stable to attract the right partner. So in the end, I will give you a very nice switch word. Thank you so much. Okay, so now Shesh Narayan Tiwari. Okay, Shesh Narayan Tiwari, welcome. So you want to know about your career in the field of modeling and acting. Okay. Shesh Narayan Tiwari. Absolutely, this field is going to be very good for you, very positive. There's going to be a lot of growth. You should definitely try in this field. So, Shesh Narayan Tiwari ji, this is a very good field for you. You should definitely try. And now that COVID is not there, is very less. You should definitely try in this field. आपके बहुत strong chances हैं. There's going to be a female who's going to help you in this career. So please go ahead and try and apply and see where it goes. I'm sure you will get your success in this field. Okay, further on. Now, okay, I'll just check for Aditya Seni. So, I feel that, we all want to know about the future. What about our present? What are we doing in our present is very important. So, we should enjoy our present also, right? So, I will definitely give you, what would it take for Aditya? So there is definitely going to be a very stable partner coming in Aditya Seni's life, and his wife will be very stable. The only thing is that I feel that you are juggling between two. You are juggling between two people, trying to find that whether she's right or she's right. So first, it's very important for Aditya to get clarity in his own mind. And let me tell you one thing, Aditya has a king number 5. He's emotional also, and he's confused right now between two people. It's very important that he should get clarity. So when the moment he'll get, definitely there is someone who's going to come in his life, and she will be a very stable person. Yes. So I've answered now. Okay, Tuhina Garai. Okay, welcome Tuhina, and welcome everyone once again. Okay, welcome from Durgapur. That's great. I'm getting a lot of people from different areas. So as I said that today I'm just doing a general reading for all of you through this live Facebook video. But anybody who would like to get on one-on-one, I will be coming on live on 18th between 3 to 5. You can always reach out to me through Select Astro app. Okay? So Tuhina, this one is for you. Okay, so Tuhina, I would like to say that till now, anything that you have planned till now, it has always, been not as per your expectations. It has been like, on the house of cards. You have seen lot of destruction, fights, disharmony happening in the house, some kind of disharmony going on. But from now on, the present situation is that you are much stable. You are feeling much more opportune. You're feeling that you are feeling hopeful. You're rejuvenated to work on your life. So you should definitely be going with this positive mind, and you will definitely also find your partner. So there is a definitely alliance coming with two people. It could be a partnership or a loving alliance also between two people, because this is being blessed. So you need to understand it's being blessed by the divine. So this is going to be coming with a little delay, but it will be coming sure within, I would say, within 1.5 months. You will see something new opening coming into your life. So all the very best, Tuhina. Thank you so much for logging today. So we have another 3 minutes more, and I would just like to share with all of you, because all of you out here are so keen to know about your future partner. So I would just share a switch word with all of you today. It says, together bring divine love. So please note down the switch word, together bring divine love, because this particular switch word is a very strong switch word which will help you attract the right partner in your life. So even if right now you are single, you are looking for a partner, please, I would request you to do the switch word the moment you get up in the morning, because your subconscious is very strong at that point of time. And 15 minutes before sleeping, if you can really listen to a nice romantic soothing music, and again chant the switch word or write it down, together bring divine love. So I would just like to end with this, because I have logged in for just 20 minutes today to say a hello to all of you, and to do your reading, and to really invite you to select Astro app, because we have lots and lots of deals coming in. We have new chats, we have new apps, video calls. Please feel free to log on and avail it. And with just 1 rupee, where you will be getting in, in your balance 100 rupees. So please use this app, and thank you so much today. And we shall be looking forward. I will come next Friday again with a little longer time. Okay? Thank you, and all the very best. Have a great weekend. Bye.